Hello friends, my name is Ravi Katara and I am building Arjun Aerospace from scratch. So today I want to talk about something most students experience but rarely questions. Paid internships that don't actually build engineers. So one of my close friends recently completed an internship at a drone startup, and that was a very reputed startup actually. So he received stipend, internship letters, letter of recommendation, and everything looked perfect on the paper. But when we discussed his learnings, there was a gap. Most his work revolved around documentation, basic drone manuals, data formatting, and internal reports. Again, documentation matters, but documentation alone does not build technical ability. So, in the drone industry, real learning happens when you interact with systems, understanding propulsion behavior, analyzing flight logs, debugging communication failures, seeing how hardware reacts in real conditions. And if an intern never touches these layers, they are not being prepared for the industry roles. And this is not about one company or one student, this is a systems problem. And companies often keep students in safe zones. Students accept it because they need experience, and both sides move on. The cost is paid later when the students go to the interviews and project works and real world deployments. So, when we started Arjun Aerospace, we realized something early. Exposure without responsibility creates false confidence, and responsibility creates engineers. So that's why we focus on real tasks, real systems, and real failures. If you are a student or a founder, I want your perspective. If your internship actually make you more capable or just more confident on paper, share your experience in the comments. And if you want more honest conversations like this, subscribe and follow the journey.